Good afternoon. Can I help you?
Good afternoon. Yes, I have a small problem.
Oh, what is it?
I am walking all day and my phone is dead.
Ah, I see. And you need to charge it.
Yes, but I also need a souvenir for my brother.
Okay, we have a power outlet right there, near the table.
Oh, thank you. That is so nice.
No problem. You can sit and charge your phone.
I would like to buy something too.
Of course. Are you looking for anything special?
My brother likes Los Angeles. Maybe a keychain?
We have some great keychains. Look here.
Oh, this one with the Hollywood sign is perfect.
That one is very popular.
How much is it?
It's $5.
Great, I will take it. And I need a postcard, please.
The postcards are right here.
I'll take this one of the Santa Monica Pier.
Okay, a keychain and a postcard. Anything else?
No, that is all. Thank you for letting me charge my phone.
It's no big deal. We are happy to help.
Here is $10.
Thank you. And here is your change. How long are you staying in LA?
Only 2 more days.
Well, enjoy your visit.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Good morning. What can I get for you?
Good morning. I would like a coffee, please.
Okay. Do you want a drip coffee, an espresso, or a latte?
Just a normal coffee, please. Black.
You want our drip coffee. No problem. What size?
Medium, please.
Do you want any room for milk or sugar?
No, thank you. Just black.
Okay. 1 medium black coffee. Will that be for here or to go?
To go, please. I am walking a lot today.
Are you visiting Chicago?
Yes, it is my first day here.
Welcome. Where are you from?
I am from Spain.
Oh, wonderful. We get many visitors.
Your city is beautiful, but it is very windy.
Haha, yes. That is our nickname, the Windy City.
I am also a little cold. This coffee will hit the spot.
It sure will. Are you seeing the sights?
Yes, and I want to try a deep dish pizza.
Oh, you must. It's the best.
Do you have a good recommendation?
Lou's is just 2 blocks away. It's famous.
Thank you. That is a great tip.
Here is your coffee. That will be $3.50.
Here you go.
Thanks. Have a great day in Chicago.
You too. Goodbye. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I have a small question. It's a bit urgent.
Okay, what is it?
May I please use your restroom?
Oh, I am very sorry. The restroom is for customers only.
I understand. No problem.
Can I get you a coffee or a tea?
You know, I am thirsty. I will just take a bottle of water.
Okay, great. Would you like still or sparkling water?
Just still water, please.
We have cold ones in the fridge right there.
Perfect. I'll grab one.
Is that everything for you?
Yes. How much is the water?
It's $2.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. The restroom is just in the back, past the stairs.
Thank you so much. You're a lifesaver. All set. Thank you again.
No problem at all.
It is very busy in Miami today.
Yes, it's always busy in this neighborhood.
Well, thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Hello.
Hi there. How can I help you?
I would like to buy a bus ticket to Washington, D.C.
Okay. For what day?
For today, please.
Let me check the schedule. Yes, we have a bus at 4 p.m.
What time is it now?
It is 3:30 p.m.
Oh, perfect. That's just in time.
Yes, do you want a one-way ticket or a round-trip ticket?
Just one way, please.
All right, that will be $52.
Do you take cash?
Yes, cash or card is fine.
Here is $60.
Thank you. Here is your ticket and your change.
Thanks. Which gate does the bus leave from?
It leaves from gate 12.
And where is gate 12?
Go down this hall and turn left. You will see the signs.
Is the bus on time?
Yes, it looks like it is on schedule.
Great. How long is the trip?
It takes about 5 hours.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. Come in and sit down.
Thank you.
So, what seems to be the problem today?
I don't feel good. I feel very under the weather.
I see. Can you tell me more?
I have a bad cough, and my throat is very sore.
Okay. How long have you felt like this?
Since yesterday. Today, I feel worse.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, I think so. I feel very hot.
Yes, your temperature is a little high.
Oh dear.
Let me listen to your breathing, okay?
Is it serious?
No, don't worry.
That's good.
You just have a bad cold. It is very common.
So, what should I do?
You need to get some rest.
Okay,
Drink a lot of water and hot tea.
I can do that.
I will give you some medicine for the fever.
Thank you, doctor.
You will feel better in 2 or 3 days.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Excuse me. Hi there. How can I help you? I found this jacket and I really love the color. Oh, that's a beautiful jacket. It's very popular this season. Yes, but I have a small problem. What is it? This one is a size large. It's too big for me. I see. Do you need a medium or a small? I think a medium, please. Okay, let me look in the back for you. I am very sorry. It looks like we sold the last medium this morning. Oh no, that's a bummer. I know, this one sells very fast. Is this the only one you have? Let me check our computer. I can check our other stores. Oh, that would be great. Okay, I have good news. You found one? Yes, our store in the downtown mall has one medium in stock. Is that far from here? No, it's only about 10 minutes by bus. That's perfect. I can call them right now. I can ask them to hold it for you. Would you? Thank you so much. No problem at all. What is your name? Sheila. Okay, Sheila. I will tell them you are coming today. You are a lifesaver. Thank you. You're welcome. Enjoy the jacket.
Excuse me.
Hi there. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I am looking at this sweater.
Oh, that's a very popular one. It's 100% cotton.
It feels very nice. I love this blue color.
It looks great on you.
Thank you. I am thinking about buying it.
Great.
But I see the price is $60.
Yes, that's the price.
It's a little expensive for me.
I understand.
Is this sweater on sale or is there a discount?
Let me check for you. I can scan the price tag.
Thank you.
Okay. Good news.
Oh?
This week, all of our sweaters are 20% off.
20% off? That's great.
So the new price is $48.
That is much better.
Are you a student by any chance?
Yes, I am. I go to the university here.
If you have your student ID, you can get an extra 10% off.
Really? That's a sweet deal.
Yes, just show me your ID at the register.
Perfect. I will take it.
Wonderful.
Thank you for your help.
Happy to help. You can follow me to the front. Excuse me,
Hi, how can I help you?
I am looking for the pasta.
Oh, the pasta is in aisle 4 in the middle.
Aisle 4. Thank you.
Are you new to our store? I don't think I've seen you before.
Yes, I am. I just moved to Denver.
Welcome. This store can be a little big.
It is. I am also looking for tomato sauce.
That is also in aisle 4, right next to the pasta.
Oh, perfect.
I am walking that way. I can show you.
Thank you. That is very nice.
No problem at all. Here we are. The pasta is on your left.
Great. And the sauce is on the right.
Yes. Can I help you find anything else?
Yes, I want to make garlic bread.
Ah, okay. The fresh bread is in the bakery in the back.
And the garlic.
The garlic is with the vegetables at the front of the store.
Thank you.
But if you want frozen garlic bread, that is in aisle 10.
I think frozen is easier for me.
Aisle 10 it is.
You have been a big help.
I'm happy to help. Enjoy your dinner.
Thanks. Have a good day.
Excuse me. Can you help me?
Yes, of course. What is the problem?
I was on the flight from London. My bag is not here.
Oh, I am sorry to hear that. Which flight was it?
Flight 45. It arrived at 3 p.m.
Okay. And all the other bags are gone?
Yes, the carousel stopped. My bag never came.
I understand. Don't worry. This happens sometimes.
What do I do now? My hotel information is in that bag.
First, I need you to fill out this form.
A form?
Yes. Please write your name, address, and phone number.
Okay.
And what does your bag look like?
It is a big red suitcase. It has wheels.
A big red suitcase. Okay, I will put that in the computer. Ah, I see a note here.
A note? Is it good news?
Yes, your bag was put on the next flight by mistake.
So it is not lost?
No, it is landing in 1 hour. It will be safe and sound.
Oh, thank goodness.
You can wait here, or we can deliver it to your hotel.
I will wait. I need my bag.
No problem. I'm glad we found it.
Me too. Thank you for your help.
Hello, to the airport, please.
Hello. To LAX Airport?
Yes, and can you please hurry? I am very late.
Oh, okay. What time is your flight?
It's at 11 a.m.
What time is it now?
It's 10:15 a.m.
Wow, that is cutting it close.
I know. I am very nervous.
The traffic on the 405 freeway is usually bad.
Oh no, I cannot miss this flight.
Don't worry, I know a shortcut.
A shortcut?
Yes, I will take the side streets. It is often faster.
Is it much faster?
I think so. Which airline are you flying?
Alpha Air.
Okay, I know that terminal.
Do you think I will make it?
We should get there by 10:45 a.m.
Oh, thank goodness.
You will still have to run.
That is okay.
Just sit back. I will get you there.
Thank you.
No problem. Here we go.